Hey guys, what is up? In this video, I'm going to be showing you how to replace your iPhone 5's battery. Your first step would be to remove the two screws which are next to the charging port. Remove these screws and keep them safely aside so that you may remember them where you have placed it. Your next step would be to remove the phone screen. Use a sharp tool to separate the screen from the body, and once you have opened up the phone, use a tool to make your way through the edges of the device. Don't apply much pressure to prevent damage to the screen. Open the screen but not open it all the way through, since the phone is still connected with the screen through its connections of the display. You want to break that. Hold it in such a position as shown. That is the battery that you have to replace. Grab your screwdriver and remove the screws which are shown. There are two screws along with the lid, and below it contains the connector for the battery. Remove that and keep it aside. Once you have removed the screws and keep them aside, use a tool to remove the lid and the connector from the socket. Once you have removed the lid, the next step would be to remove the battery. The battery has been glued down with the phone, and you have to use a blunt tool and apply force to remove the battery from its place. Keep in mind not to pull out the flap which is next to the battery. You would complete this step in a few tries, and once this step has been completed, you take out your new battery and keep it in its place and fix the connector into its place. Make sure everything snaps into its place. Use the lid and the screws and keep them back into its place and screw everything down. And once you have finished this step, your last step would be to close the phone with this screen and apply pressure to the edges of the screen. Use the screws and fix it next to the charging port. After all these steps has been carried out properly, the next step is to just check whether everything is proper by turning on the phone. That is it. That is how to replace iPhone 5's battery. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe to the channel.